Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. What we have for sale today is a 1999 Mercury 4-stroke. This is a long shaft remote. It is manual start, manual tilt. This one had 100 psi on both top and bottom cylinders. Good spark, new plugs, new oil filter, pressure tested the lower unit, that was good. New gear lube, new impeller, new fuel filter, and we also cleaned the carb. We'll go ahead and fire this one up here. Give it a second here to warm up. Spraying good water. Go ahead and put it in forward. Back to neutral. Reverse. Neutral. Shut her off. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email us at sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great weekend.